Abdussameem Hasib. Mustafa.
जैसे यहाँ पे
मतलब जितनी मिनिमम पॉसिबल चेंजेस ओरिजिनल सेंटेंस में करके, राइट, ओरिजिनल सेंटेंस में जितनी मिनिमम पॉसिबल चेंजेस हो वो करके यू कैन डू दैट. अंडरलाइन भी करते जाए, जो फैन बॉय लगा रहे हैं ना आप सेंटेंस में, उसको बस अंडरलाइन कर रहे हैं, so that I can see that. Yes. वो तो of course you can, मतलब yes you can remove it. अभी it doesn't make sense ना, ये तो फैक्ट है. She is rich, लेकिन खुश नहीं है, तो वो उसका मतलब कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएगी. She is rich and she is not happy. But she is. You know, guys, there was a gynecologist in Lahore. ठीक है? तो उसके पास मतलब जब कोई भी एक्सपेक्टेड पेरेंट्स आते थे तो आफ्टर द अल्ट्रासाउंड तो बच्चे के जेंडर जो है ना वो अगर इट वाज लाइक मेल तो अपने पास वो डायरी में फीमेल बेबी लिख के मतलब उस डेट और कपल का नेम और साथ फीमेल तो उनको बताती थी बॉय, अगर बॉय है तो उनको बताती थी गर्ल, राइट. अब जो बताया है अगर तो वही जेंडर हो गया फिर तो डेफिनेटली दे वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी. अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो वो कहे अच्छा ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, मैंने आपको गलत बताया हो, किस डेट को आप आए थे, तो फलां डेट को था, अच्छा हाँ हाँ नहीं ये देखिए लिखा हुआ है मेरे बॉय, ओके. तो वो उसके अंदर ज्यादा वो हो जाता था उसका. तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू वांटेड टू बिकम दैट गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट, आपने वही लिखना है जो वहां पे लिखा हुआ है. यस, वैसे इट वाज अ जोक, वो मतलब हंसता था. आई एम वेरी बैड एट क्रैकिंग जोक्स. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Are you done with it? All of them? Good. Alright, हो गया ये एक्सरसाइज डन. इसका आंसर चेक करते हैं पहले, फिर एक और आ गई एक्सरसाइज जो मेरे बारे में सोच रहे हैं आपको दूंगी. अच्छा सोच रहे ना आप, नहीं? ओके जी. कल से मुझको यहाँ नहीं बैठा ना, कल से तुम यहाँ नहीं बैठे तो वहाँ बैठे हुए पीछे के पहला नंबर मेरा आ सकता है. जी मुस्तफा.
She is rich, but she is unhappy.
She is rich, but she is unhappy. Yeah, but she is not happy. Minimum possible changes. She is rich, yet she is not happy. Yet भी आ सकता है ना, right? Contradicting information है. Imaz.
If you are honest, then you need not to fear from anybody.
नहीं आप गलत कर रहे हो. इससे पिछला वाला सेंटेंस बताएं आप. कोट बताएं.
Then the air doesn't We rush to the spot.
कंपाउंड कैसे बनाया इसको आपने?
When we hear the gunshot.
No, we heard the gunshot and we rushed to the spot. कंपाउंड बनाना है ना आपने, कंपाउंड में आपने 10 वॉइस यूज करने थे।
सर
जी बच्चे।
इसमें सो आ सकता है? So we rush to the gun.
Yeah, we heard the gunshot, so we rushed to the spot. G.
I called John and he came.
No, the previous sentence.
You are honest, so you
It's-
don't need.
Honest. Oh, O की sound है, H की sound नहीं है. Honest. Everybody say it.
Honest.
Everybody say happy.
Honest.
Happy.
Happy.
H sound.
Happy.
My father is a happy man. Ali is an honest man. H और की sound, O की sounds है. G. If you're honest, you need not fear anybody.
So you don't need to fear anyone. So you don't need to fear anyone.
Yeah, if you're honest, so you don't need to fear anyone. Right? Number 5. इस साइड से जी बच्चे आप बताएं. Number 5. I called for John.
I called for John, who came at once.
इससे साबित हुआ कि आप पढ़ सकती हैं. अब इसको सॉल्व कर लें. क्या किया इसको आपने सेंटेंस को? अभी कर रही हैं? मोबाइल है आपके पास? तो बेटा पिक्चर ले लें उसकी. नेक्स्ट आप बताएं जी.
I called for John and he came at once.
I called for John and he came at once. Number 6.
Though he is brave, but he is careless.
फिर दो नहीं आएगा ना?
He is careless.
Yes, he is brave, but he is very careless. He is brave, but he is careless. Yes.
You will pass, yet you work hard.
You will pass,
Yes, yet you work hard. For you work hard.
for you work hard. Reason के लिए. Yet नहीं होगा. Yet होगा कि it's like in the sense कि instead of that, even that thing happened. Yet I was sick. Yet I went for my class. उस सेंस में यूज होता है yet. जी बेटा.
Eighth, he couldn't catch the train for he was late.
Yes, he couldn't catch the train for he was late. Reason. Remember, for is used for reason, right? जी बच्चे. Number 9.
If you cannot obey me, so you have to fight.
If को अगर हटा दें,
Get you can.
if को हटा दें,
You cannot.
please read this complete sentence.
You cannot obey me, so you have to quit.
So you have to quit.
Sir, yet you cannot obey me, you have to quit.
No. ये सो हो सकता है कि और yet you cannot, या मतलब you can, yet you can stay. You cannot obey me, yet you can stay. ये मतलब वो उस तरह कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी इंफॉर्मेशन के अंदर आ सकता है. इसके बावजूद इस सेंस में. आप बता रहे थे सेंटेंस.
You have to quit for you cannot obey me.
हाँ, you have to quit or you cannot obey me. Good. Reason answer.
Yes, sir, हम sorry करा सकते हैं, he could not get the place, so he was late.
He,
He
no,
was late.
he was late, so he could not catch the train. Right? तो फिर आपको सेंस चेंज करना पड़ेगी उसकी. जी, transform these simple to complex or compound. Knocking at the gate, he demanded admission. ये साथ साथ कर लेते हैं इसको. जी बच्चे.
Knocking at the gate and he demanded it.
He knocked
He knocked at the gate. He knocked at the gate and demanded admission. Got it? G. Blinded by a dust storm, they lost their way.
They were blinded by the dust.
अरे whose turn is it? आपकी बारी.
The blinded by the storm, they lost their When they lost their way, they were blinded by a dust storm.
इसको दूसरी तरह से करें. When they were blinded,
By a dust storm, they lost their way.
yes. पहले dust storm से वो blind हुए ना, तो फिर they lost their way. Got it?
Sir, they lost their way because they were blinded.
Because they were blinded.
By a dust storm.
Yeah, as they were blinded by a dust storm. Next, बच्चे. Driven by hunger, he stole a piece of bread. Okay, I wanted to check कि आप लोग attentive है या नहीं है. Received by his friends, he lost all hope. Yes. Come again. When he was received by his friends,
He lost all.
he lost all hope. Very good. You have to make sure that both your clauses have proper meaning and they are proper sentences and they all have verbs. हर एक की अपनी अपनी verb है साथ में. We don't mind चाहे वो first form हो verb की, second form हो या third form हो. All right? Yes. Whose turn?
He was driven by hunger and he stole a piece of bread.
So he stole a piece of bread. The one action is compelling to the other action, na? Right? I was tired, so I decided to take a nap. Right? You will say, overwhelmed with grief, the poor widow killed herself. Those who can tell this sentence, please raise their hands.
Which sentence?
Number 5. Number 5. Good, good, good. Just raise your hands. जी, अब आप ही बता दें. नहीं. आपकी पड़ोस. जी. The poor widow killed her husband. Then she won't be a poor. She would be a widow, but she won't be poor. Maybe he was a rich guy. हो सकता है ना दिमाग. अच्छा, सब लोग इस बात पे अमल कर रहे हैं कि बड़ों को जवाब नहीं देना चाहिए, बुरी बात होती है ना? बट टीचर्स को जवाब दे सकते हैं आप जब कोई सवाल पूछे तो. जी बच्चे, आप चलो पूरी क्लास में बता दिए तकरीबन. The poor widow was overwhelmed with grief and killed herself. Good. खुद बनाया? इज्तिमाई काविश. जी बच्चे. Number 6.
When the sea was being smooth, we went for a sail.
When the sea was being smooth, we went for a sail. आपने इसको कॉम्प्लेक्स बना दिया. बिल्कुल ठीक किया, शाबाश. Next, बच्चे your turn. I can give you a hint. What did you say? It's difficult. It's one of the easiest ones. You know this? If आपने लगाना है. No. If weather permits. Yes. If weather permits. The match will be held tomorrow afternoon. समझ आ गई सबको compound complex? Huh? Okay. Now, you will all write your daily routine in a paragraph right now, and it should not contain all simple sentences. It should have at least one simple, one compound, one complex compound. Just one paragraph लिखना है आपने. your daily routine. I get up at itne baje and after shower I take my breakfast, blah blah blah, right down. नहीं, आप ये कंडीशन लगा रहे हैं ना कि अगर वेदर ने इजाजत दी तो हम मैच करेंगे. If is the most suitable one. Yeah, the match was played yesterday because the weather permitted. मतलब कल हो गया था क्योंकि वेदर ने परमिट कर दिया था, weather was pleasant, तो we held the match. पता है क्या आपने उसने ना तो ट्रेन कैच की और ना ही वो डेट हुआ, तो ये तो नहीं लिखा था, ये तो खुद ही बनी.
नहीं ऐसे मतलब सेंटेंस मेरा नहीं चलता था.
तो फिर लेट होने की कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं बन सकती. He neither wanted to, he did not take the train, nor did he take the bus. Yeah, nor did he take a drive or something. मतलब आप दोनों नहीं की बात कर रहे हैं. आगे